How to install on Javascript. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, you can simply search for Learn JavaScript. Simply tap on it, so it will pop up here. So as you can see, there are a lot of applications like that, but the original one or the one that I'm talking about is this one. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now simply tap on this install button. So it will take some time. Here in this application, you'll be able to learn JavaScript and programming. So it is a very efficient application. Now it's getting installed and we're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.